Don't forget to hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, and share. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade guacamole. Let's get started. The ingredients which we need to make this recipe are half cup of chopped tomato, half cup of finely chopped cilantro, half of a red onion, 3 medium-sized avocados. It's not very mushy or too ripe. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, juice of 1 lemon, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to show you guys how to cut our avocados. I'm going to take an avocado here. I'm going to lightly cut it in the center. Like this. I'm going to twist it open. We're going to pull out the seed. I'm going to set this aside. Then we're going to take out the fruit from a spoon and transfer it to a bowl. We're going to repeat the same process to all our avocados. You can see that the avocados are not too ripe. I'll show you. Yeah, perfect. Now I finished cutting our avocados. I'm gonna clean our surface. I have our avocados here. I have a potato smasher. Now we're gonna smash our avocados. Remember, we need a chunky salad, so don't smash the avocados into a smooth puree. I'm gonna set this aside now. And now I'm just gonna give this a good mix. To this, we are gonna add our lime juice to prevent it from browning. And then we're gonna add our cilantro, our onion. I'm just gonna take it out. Perfect. Our tomato. And now I'm gonna add a black pepper and a salt. Just gonna, perfect. Now we're gonna give this a good mix. You can add salt according to your taste. Perfect. It's done. Now I'm gonna transfer it into a serving bowl. I've transferred it into a serving bowl. Now I'm gonna give it another good mix and have a taste. That is so yummy, guys. You guys must also try this recipe and enjoy. Bye.